What's up folks, welcome back to my channel and happy new year to all of you. Nice to see your smiling faces. So today we are going to see what are the sketching essentials do architects, artists or designer travel with. So this is the part 1 of the video. In this part I am going to show you what is my everyday carry, like what are the essential things for me as an architecture student to carry. So there are major two essentials. One is sketchbook and second is pencils or anything which I can write with. So these are three sketchbook which I carry. I carry this black one every day. So this is from Anupam, I guess so. So this is from Anupam books. It's with dot grid. So for architecture sketching, this dot grid helps very much. Like you can just draw a schematic section of anything. Second book which I carry is the book from Craft. It's a Japanese company. So this is a buff color paper book. So this I mainly carry for urban sketching purpose. Those who are new to the channel, so you can watch the earlier video. It's about urban sketching, what we do on Sundays. Like it's free, basically you have to just go on the venue and sketch. So for that I use this book because like the buff color gives you the raw look, earthen look, and that's for this. So this is one book. And the third book which I carry every day is from Sundaram. These two books are the books which I use for urban sketching. There are many books. So these are some of the sketchbooks which I use very rarely. Those are the book I use like rarely for assignments or like portraits, illustration and all. And these are the everyday carry. For sketching purpose, this is my everyday carry, and for everyday carry I use this. Means this is like in my bag each and every day for you can say for like taking notes for sketching or for any kind of design program. So I use this book. This is one of the things that I like. So this is the Vector V7 pen. It has a 0.7 tip. So because of 0.7 you can just increase the pressure or decrease the pressure and you can get different line grades. Only flaw in this pen is it's not waterproof. Then comes the second thing, like the third pen which I use is a Sharpie. So this is a fine tip Sharpie, not ultra fine, because I want something thick pen for like just showing the if there is any kind of section or any kind of thing I want to highlight or I want to shade it, so I can just shade it with the fine Sharpie. But the Sharpie will have an impression behind the page, so that's the one problem. And the pencils I use are rotary 1 and 0.5. so these are the two pencils I use. Like in 0.5 I have 2B leads, and in 1 I have like HB or B lead something. So and I use one like a lead normal pencil. So this is from Spreadlove. It is a 2B pencil. So this is my everyday carry wala thing. So I carry this box every day to college for sketching purpose. And there is a second box. So in this you can see there are pens, different pens. So the first one is the white pen. It's generally a white ink pen, nothing much more. And there are different like different point tips pen, like fine line pens also. So ultra fine, not fine, ultra fine. So this is a 0.1. There is 0.1, 0.5, 0.05 and 0.8. There are these four which I use. So that's it for today. And so this is this is the part 1 of the video which I am talking about my EDC stuff. There will be other parts, like maybe in few months my everyday carry will be changed. So stay tuned and please like the video, please share it and comment down below if you want any other tutorial, and bye.